Exodus Wallet App Review. Exodus is a non-custodial crypto wallet designed for beginners and experienced users alike. It supports multiple cryptocurrencies, offers built-in exchange features, and prioritizes user-friendly design. Installation and setup. The app is available for Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. Setting up is quick. Just download the app, create a wallet, and securely store your recovery phrase. No account registration is required. Key features: supports 300+ cryptocurrencies, built-in exchange for quick swaps, portfolio tracking and real-time price updates, hardware wallet integration, Trezor, and 24/7 customer support. Performance and usability. Exodus stands out with its sleek design and intuitive interface. Transactions are smooth, and the app runs efficiently across devices. However, it lacks advanced security features like two-factor authentication, 2FA. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to use, great for beginners. Supports a wide range of assets, no registration or KYC required, built-in exchange and staking options. Cons: no 2FA security feature, higher fees for in-app swaps, not open source, except for mobile and desktop UI. Compared to wallets like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, Exodus is more user-friendly but lacks deep 2FA integration and security options like 2FA. It's great for everyday users but not ideal for hardcore traders. In conclusion, Exodus is an excellent choice for those seeking a simple, visually appealing, and feature-rich wallet. However, if security is your top priority, you may want to consider other options with more advanced protections. And that's all for this review. I hope this helps. Thank you.